What have we got today? We have the electrical nail drill designed for high quality performance. Would you design something for low quality performance? And if you would do that, why? Why would you do that? Why would you intentionally design something for low quality performance? Yeah, I don't know. Don't ask me these questions that I've just asked myself. Pro Drill, 20,000 RPM. 20,000 RPM nail drill machine professional for acrylic nails, gel nails, and natural nails, manicure, pedicure, grinding drill for sculpting, buffing, and polishing for salon and home use. Forward and reverse rotation, low noise, high speed, hand piece, adjustable speed, up to 20,000 RPM. Smart sensor with handpiece, large capacity, a tool storage box, 28 nail drill bits, hole for multi-angle placement options. All right. Are you excited? You get manual. You get a box with sanding and grinding implements. You get a bag full of sanding things. So I'm guessing this is what you'll be doing most of with this particular device. But then you get the handset its own self, which is compact. It is, I don't know, the size of an e-cigarette. Comes with this very thick cable, which plugs in there. And then the other end plugs in to something we haven't seen yet. And then it's funny, I got another thing by this company that was a USB powered a rechargeable type of thing. And it came in a box that showed the item was green and the item was pink. And this one shows the item is pink. And as you can see, we've got a green one. This is a bag that you probably throw away. This here is your little power supply. So this plugs in to USB via USB-A via the not included power block. So let's see here, that will sit on your desk. Now this goes in here for storage, I believe, yep. And then on the side, we have your DC input. See that? And then underneath you've got, I don't know what this is for. Oh, there's some sort of lamp. Hang on a second, let's plug this in and see if we tear a hole in the time-space continuum here. Okay. You guessed it, it's the handy-dandy. You know, I've only charged this thing once and it's been powering things up for months. I hope it's not some sort of nuclear reactor. Okay. We hit this and it's got a green light. And it's doing nothing. It's still doing nothing. Okay. So, pull this out of here. Now this is out, is it? Yeah, now it's spinny. Yeah, I don't know what the there's little holes underneath here. Don't know what those are for. That's power on. And then this knob dials up how fast it spins. Oh, and this is forward and reverse, this button. And then click it down to make it go off. That lamp literally just says lamp. Oh, so what I'm guessing is this. There might be infrared. You put your hands in here. There might be infrared lights in there, and that's the reason why I can't see them. Because, you know, I don't see an infrared. I don't know about you, but I don't see an infrared. And then you've got these little caddies at the back that are too small to fit anything in them. You know, so it's like a storage bin, but you can't, these don't go in there. And these don't go in there. But my guess is that you could probably, let's see. Ooh. I really don't do myself any favors with these gloves, but, you know, I'm a guitar player and my fingers look horrible. They're all like calloused and, you know, it looked like something out of a Tolkien novel. Okay. So my assumption was that this rubber thing might go down in there and provide you storage, but you know what? It's such a faff to do this, even probably without gloves, that I'm not going to bother doing that. But you get the point. These little compartments back here are supposed to be for storage of items like this, that if you put down in there, this might be great, but the whole storage bin thing is ill-advised and poorly designed, in my opinion. But it doesn't mean this won't work. And it doesn't mean, because see, the thing is, here's the thing, guys. Full disclosure, I don't use these things for nails. I'm not a nail technician. I really don't care about fingernails. Obviously, it's why I wear black gloves in the videos. You may have noticed. Let's see if, in fact, I'm correct about the ultraviolet light. Okay, one. Oh, these little bitty things here, all these holes, you put your bits in them. Well, I'll be. So, see that? You gotta read the manual, ladies and peoples. So, those go in here. So that's what they meant by storage. The bins at the back are for, I don't know, suckers maybe? I don't know. But all this, all these, that's what those are for. That's what that's for. You put all your stuff back there, you know? You know, all your canartlies go there. So if you buy extra of these, you got somewhere to put them. That's starting to make a little bit more sense to me, you know? Read the manual, you know what I mean? Just like Jay's 2 cents says, RT FM. Okay. So, bits collector, handpiece holder, nail tool storage, yeah. Cord reverse, power indicator. That's just, the lamp is just a power indicator. Okay, main board. How to change the bit, you just yank them in there and pull them out. That's it. So my guess is that there might have been, because I don't get it, there are these little, I don't know if you can see them up in there. If that's just like an air vent, but why does it need an air vent? It's not blowing anything. You know, it would seem to make sense, ladies and gentlemen, that if you put your fingies, see, if you put your hand in there, you put your fingers in there, and there's like ultraviolet light going there. If you got some sort of epoxy for the nails or whatever, that the light would cure the epoxy. If you put your fingers down in there, right? But it doesn't appear to be the case. There doesn't appear to be any sort of This seems to be a lot more powerful than the rechargeable one that I have. Yeah, a lamp. That's not... Okay. All right. It is the electric nail drill thingamajigger. From Beloving is the name of the company. Beloving.